Welcome to American Tent's sidewall installation video. If it's not already installed, string the sidewall rope through the eye holes located behind the alligator straps. Secure the rope at the corners. Carefully unfold your sidewalls. The side you're starting with should be facing up, and the side you're ending with should be on your shoulder. Attach the clips so they're facing towards you. Attach every third clip. Once these are in place, you can go back and finish the other clips. If you're not attaching another sidewall, wrap around the inside of the pole and clip. If you are attaching another sidewall, wrap the sidewall over the pole on the outside and attach to your next sidewall. Congratulations, you've just installed a sidewall quickly and easily. Thank you so much and enjoy your tent.